Parineeti, take the center seats, shall we? Rajiv, come on, be nice. Let the gorgeous lady take the center spot. All right, now we have all the three superstars in house tonight. Rajiv, you had a special question for Parineeti, I believe.
I'm going to play journalist now. I can't really change my roles too quickly. Okay, so.
I've downloaded the app. That's the first thing I did because I didn't know anything about it. And I think the biggest thing is convenience. I think at a time when especially a person like me, who's actively looking for houses, it's very, very important for me to be able to just sit in my car, browse, through my phone. Sometimes you don't have time to actually go meet brokers or go and meet, the people who are making all of these houses. So it's so important of convenience and time saving, which I think this app does brilliantly. It's the most important thing for people today. So yeah, I think convenience would be my biggest USP. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're talking about. Budget? Oh God, I'll have to ask my parents. Because I'm a spendthrift sometimes, and I want to buy the most expensive t-shirt and most expensive shoes. So even in houses, I always want to go, no, but that house has the sea view, I have to buy that one. So my parents are constantly, fighting with me of saying, बहुत खर्चा करती है. So I'll have to ask them. Right now, I think you should give me some free houses. Like 4, 5.
Not even in the singular,
4,
the plural houses. मतलब एक नहीं, दो भी नहीं, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So,
like see, I have 2 brothers and mama and papa. So there are 5 of us. So 5 तो बनता है. Okay, so 6. One for all.
No pets.
देखो जब मीडिया आती है हम हमेशा एक प्रेस किट देते हैं. आज आई थिंक सब लोग एक घर की चाबी लेके ही जाओ मुझे लगता है.
So taking this opportunity, I'll just reiterate our beloved Prime Minister's vision that by 2022 housing for all will be a reality.
Give it away free also, right?
Well, superb news. I'm sure by the end of this, discussion, the way these guys are going, everybody would have a free house. But why don't we take some questions from all of you? You guys have been eagerly waiting for all of our 3 gentlemen and the pretty lady in the house. So we've got a mic going around. There it is. If you have a question, just raise your hand and you can go on and ask.
We're talking about house. Can you just tell us like your first house, आपका या फिर आपका कोई dream house होगा? As you said, like shore वाला house आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है या पहले घर के बारे में कुछ बताइए आप.
Actually, मैं बॉम्बे से नहीं हूँ. आपको पता है मैं अम्बाला से हूँ. So I've actually never bought a house because I've just come to Bombay 4 years ago, and I was renting and I've never. But now this year I'm close to finalizing. And I will announce it very soon. But yeah, I would like a sea view definitely. Check. I would like a sea view house definitely. I think this is a sign from God that I should not talk about it. So when I finalize the house, I will announce it.
All the best.
And the other part is that this app has a slider on it where you can choose what is your budget. So how far will your finger slide on the crores?
No, 10,000 rupees?
Free, free.
10,000 rupees I will give for 5 BHK.
She means per square inch.
Also have a complimentary pickup and drop, so she saved off that also.
Okay. I knew I did the right thing by coming today. Yeah, the first thing is to just tell you a little bit about it. Basically, it's an app like many apps on your mobile phone. You play games on your phone, but buying a house on your phone is something you never thought of. But all Kolte Patil properties are listed on this app. Whichever city you want to invest in, you can literally choose, and like you go buy a t-shirt, you can go and at least set up a meeting with somebody from their team. You can arrange a viewing. You can have actual walkthroughs of properties on your phone. So, you could be out of town negotiating a deal for a flat in Mumbai. So it's really very convenient actually. And I think it's the day and age of technology. It's the day of online shopping. And I think even buying properties online is not very far away in the future. So I would say the most convenient and one of the most intelligent apps is what we're launching today. कुछ बातें तो सीक्रेट रहने दो. कुछ बातें नहीं. मतलब मैं गेम्स नहीं खेलती हूँ फ़ोन पे, तो there are no game apps, but a lot of reading apps. I read a lot, so a lot of Kindle books. Then I have a lot about films, IMDb or PVR or Cinemax, and a lot of music apps.
all the Bollywood celebrities add glamour to everything they do as such. So when you buy a house, you would add more of glamour in the house or peace and understanding in the house as such?
Good question. I think I would like a very simple house. It should be as calming and soothing as a spa. Because I think we literally remain under the lights. You know that we're shooting all the time. So I think when you go home, you should feel comfortable. So I would have a really, really simple house, not glamorous at all.
Pariniti, is today's Siddharth's birthday, so what all wishes would you like to give it to him? And
I've already called him and told him
but are you
whatever
going
I
for the
wanted
party?
to.
Are you going out for the party with him?
Yeah, so his instruction is it's not relevant to the event, but I will have to answer it. So I've already called and wished him, so whatever I had to say, I've already said to him.
Now let's focus on the new app tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, we've got the gadget guru in the house, and
Please
we've also
ask
got
him all the
Sujoy.
difficult questions.
Yeah, so come on, bring out some difficult ones, if you want to know more about the app.
Round 1 was supposed to be easy. Now let's move into tough territory.
Yeah, please, tough
Absolutely.
territory here. I'm not here now. Come on, sir. So you tell me what you think of the app.
Okay, so I'll tell you what. I'll take the tough path and tell you that the difference, like I said right in the beginning, between a mediocre app and a great app is really the one simple question you must ask yourself every day is: do you actually use the app more than twice a week? If you have an app on your phone and you just have it lying around, they say 8 out of 10 apps are deleted after 60 days. And the reason they say an app is used is either is it dynamic and interactive, and I think this app has got a lot of things why you would pick it up on a regular basis, whether you're a broker or a customer. It has enough for both. Normally, whenever I've seen a real estate app, I'm sorry to say, usually it's a cop-out. It's just a very poor effort. What they do is take a few pictures of the maps of the building, one mock-up of the house, and they just digitize it, and or they take a website and make it smaller and make it into an app. Both are self-defeatist in purpose. What you really need with an app is, because it's on your mobile phone, which is always with you every day, you have to have a reason to use it, and there are more than enough features in this that really make that happen. A lot of features are very interactive and dynamic. Like I said, you can even chat with somebody right there. I mean, that would be a very great thing. I'm interested in something, I want 3 pieces of pertinent information, and a live chat happens right there and then. And stage 2 is going to be where you can do a video chat. So I think all of these put together mean that you'll use this app a lot. It does really serve a purpose. And I think it's great that somebody's taken up the initiative to do something like this in the real estate world. So congratulations.
All right, so if to sum it up, Sujay, would you want to say something a little more about the app?
So, just to sum up, I think what Pariniti started with saying she's from Ambala. When we did research of our customers, we found out that our customers come from 137 different Indian and global cities. So this is our way of connecting with them. This is our way of remaining connected with them. And this is our way of creating our own Kolte Patil community going into the future. Thank you once again and welcome to the event. Join you backstage. Thank you.
Magic Mike. The definition of home, at least personally for me, would have to be a calming center for me, really. And I'm saying that because I'm an actor today, that there are so many things that happen in our day. Even when we're not shooting, our days are quite hectic. And I live alone, so I absolutely need that serenity when I go home. And I think my home gives that, however big or small, and it will always have to be like that for me. And even on this app, I think that's what you should try and find. I mean, even for investors, it's great, but I think to really find a home directly from the developers is a very great thing.
All right, thank you. We would request all our guests to pose for our Shutterbugs. They've been eagerly awaiting a photo opportunity with all of you.